Welcome back to another video. In today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a dino out T-Rex game in Scratch part 7. What I think so this is the final part. If I want, after I figure out, I can make something. I have so many things in my backpack. You didn't yet see, guys didn't yet see. Look at this. What is that? More. I have so many. This is from the start and all of this. So I can make this bird thingy, but I first have to figure out a way to do that. So these all codes are mine. Yes, I once first made it using big scratchers, but these new codes are mine. For big scratchers, it's a little different, but all these codes are mine. So today we're going to be working on these variables. If you do not have this cloud variable option, then it's okay, leave it. It's only for like whoever has became a scratcher. But with this, you can see which person has made the highest score in your game, whoever plays it. So yeah, if you have, click on this, type world's best. I made three variables, your high score and your high score. You do not have to click on this. You just have to click for all sprites. And then score means your normal score. You may know that, right? So as I saw like in my other project, every 1 second the score increases. So when flag clicked, forever loop, we are gonna put wait for 1 second, then change the world best, not world's best, but instead score. Score. What did I do? Score by 1. Yeah, so this works. Everything is going fine, but this time now I have to like convert the score which you just made right now to your high score. So to do that, I'm gonna be teaching you a trick. You have to put a forever loop. Oh yes, and we do not need the flag right again. You have to remember that when I receive retry. Okay, so you have to take when I receive retry, otherwise it's only gonna work one time. When I receive retry, it's gonna forever loop and it's gonna check that if then we're gonna work on score and your high score, okay? So if then score is greater than high score, okay, set world's best to 0. No, we don't have to set world's best to 0. Yeah, when flag collects was best to 0. No, it's already in 0. So when I receive retry, only when flag clicked, it's gonna set not world's best, but instead your high score, your high score and score to 0. So yes, and that's what you're gonna do. Only when flag is clicked, and do not do anything for the world's best because that's what I'm gonna do last. And then we are gonna, this is the final part. I say okay, I don't know. So yes, we are gonna check in these two. If the score is bigger than the your high score is larger than your high score, then it is gonna convert, no, means like your high score will be converted to your score which is the largest. So we can go to operators and said this lesser than or greater than. If then greater than will be better. Score means the score is greater than. Be careful with these lesser than and greater than. So if then your score is greater than your high score, then what we are gonna do is set your high score to score. Okay, so now it's gonna work. Just check it out. See your high score. Oops. Retry. Wow, wait 1 minute. Oh, when I receive retry, we have to set our score to 0 also, otherwise it won't work. So yeah, be careful of that. I'll make my high score to something. Yes, 7, 8. I'm gonna make our high score to 15 first. Then I think so the numbering is really slow. I'll just change from 1 second to 0.5 seconds. Perfect, perfect, not bad at all. Yeah, nice. 29. So you can see. Oh, there's a small bug we're running on. As you guys can see, we have a small bug. Your high score is still changing. So we want to prevent that. So if then, what is our if then our my variable equals to 0, then only it's gonna happen. So if then, in the forever loop, we are gonna drag our score thingy in a forever loop. So uh if then score 1 minute, let's see, it's if then my variable, yes, my variable equals to 0, then only. So my variable equals to 0, I'll say 0. Oh no, I'm running. Yeah, so 0, then it's only supposed to like do that. So oops, what happened? My, yes, my variable equals to 0, and if I run over a cactus, then it's gonna be 8, and if I do that, our high score is 8, and you can see the score is going like that. And oopsies, I couldn't make it. So I'll slowly gain more score. As you can see, your high score will increase. Perfect, our game is going good. If you give me enough likes, I'll make that bird. What do you call it? Uh, Part 8 for the bird separately. So yeah, ours is 32 now. Let's die. Oh no. Oops. Yeah. So now we fixed everything. Let's just hide our variable. We fixed everything, but only the world's best is not working. So what we're gonna do is, if then, we're just gonna make the same, do the same, duplicate it, and when flag clicked, no, when I see retry, score is greater than world's best, then set world's best. Where's our world's best? To score, and now you're gonna see that our world's best is 2, 3, 4. Anyone whoever is playing your game, if he makes a higher score than anybody, the world's best will be, because you set the world's best as a cloud variable, means it's going to be stored into the server means like the area, or it can store anything. So yes, if you don't click on the cloud variable, or you don't have it, you can't do it. So ignore the world's best. You should not make the world's best, because it's just gonna jam space and hard to find other variables. You can just right click, delete, which I'm never gonna do. So yes, our game is working. It is perfectly fine. We do not need to worry now. Our game is over. Now let's just change it into Dino T Rex game. Yeah, the Dino game, Dino T-Rex game. And now what you can do is share it, and you can type whatever instructions you want. This is how I type my instructions. I'll just give myself a heart and a wave. Wow, perfect. And I'm gonna add this into my studio. Let's say answer to tricks. Nah, yeah, answer to tricks and my art show. Okay, and finally, and I'll quickly write all my instructions. So this is what part 7, I think so. I'm getting off. Yeah, part 7. If you want part 8, please comment me down if you want it. Then I will sure make part 8. So bye bye for now. I'll be uploading all my parts. See you in the next game, which is making a fighting cloud game. Means multiplayer fighting game only supports 2 players. So yeah. Okay, bye.